Welcome guys, my name is Morutibao on the street, and today we're shooting the first video of street quiz. And the question of today is, what is a microwave? Is it wrong to own a microwave? Does a microwave have a cure? We don't know. Let's find out from our people. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. What is a microwave?
Microwave.
Yeah.
Microwave, I think, is some sort of appliance that I could learn down. We did it for heater dijo. So
you're very smart. Matter of fact, you a genius.
What is a microwave?
A microwave is that machine whereby you put food inside, my man. You close and you turn it on. It goes like zzz, zzz, and one time it's up, it goes like ding. That is a microwave.
What is microwave?
Microwave is thing along karing. Oh, direct. Oh, masadijo kayan. Right.
You smart. You loyal.
What is microwave?
Microwave. Kilo zigrasidi almost andijo yalo.
Go spend some money for no reason.
Alright. So is it wrong to own a microwave?
Yeah.
Is it wrong?
Yeah.
I never spelled it.
Is it wrong to own a microwave?
No, it's not wrong. It's usually like it's right. You are going to do something.
Yeah. So what can the government do to stop the microwave thing?
Why should they stop it?
I agree. It's wrong to have a microwave. So
In the house. No, it's not wrong.
Is it wrong to own a microwave?
Oh, my brother, it is very, very wrong, especially here in Muzansi. Because this microwave thing, my man, it eats a lot of electricity, my man. It eats. That's the same reason why we are having load shading.
No way!
So, I get an where can I find the microwave?
Usually we create a microwave on top of kraka wabo kona le space nyana se dirilwe nyana da for o ka o place ada wabo.
We thank you bra kana dina go ke mambra matshela gore mambra go bloma.
No na ke mogomotse se gomotsho mara go by the name of Doula bona ke bloma mo le kale mo taung wabo.
Thank you bra.